What we're going to do now is I'm going to cut the inside out first. So I'm going to loosen this up. Take this off here. Pull the weight off. Teeth have to point down. Okay, I'm going to slide it in here. I'm going to do the bottom first. Hook it in the bottom. Okay, I hold it up and I hook it in the top. And I tighten this until it gets tight, and then I give it a good turn. Maybe 1.5 turns extra. Now I'm going to cut this internal design out. So my hands are always going to be to the sides, never in front of the blade. When the sawdust builds up, just kind of blow so it kind of moves the sawdust away. So you can still see your line. Okay, so that hole makes it so much easier. Going to shut it off, and then I'm going to take that piece out, and then I'm going to clean up that little corner right there. So I drop that piece out of there. I still have to make this little cut here because there's a little sharp point. Okay, and then I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to do this cut. So I'll take the blade off. Sometimes the blade gets a little warm, especially where it was cutting. All right, this time I'm not going to unhook the bottom. I'm going to try to be a little careful. And I'm going to hook it there. I'm going to make the next cut. Again, tighten it up. When you get to the end of the cut, go a little slower so it cuts out smooth. I just got this one thing to cut off in the back. That's my vehicle, and then I can start sanding it. I'm thinking about possibly tapering it, but I'll show you that next video.